time value of money is an established financial concept. The concept of time value of money suggests that money has time value due to its earning potential. Thus, a dollar in hand today is worth more than a dollar to be received in future. Why? Because if we have a dollar today, we can put it to work and earn a return. Consequently, we may end up with more than a dollar in future. In other words, if other factors are kept constant, time has value because the value of money grows with the passage of time when it is invested. For example, if Sarah gets $50 today and invests this amount immediately, her $50 will grow to $55 after a year if she earns 10% return on her investment. In this case, the initial amount is the present value of money, while its value at the future date is the future value of money. Whereas this 10% increase represents the time value of money. The concept of time value of money is used to justify interest on the loan principal. Since in a lending agreement, the $100 lent today worth more than the $100 returned after 1 year. Therefore, conventional economics and finance stress that a sum of money loaned to someone should be repaid with a specified increase to compensate for the opportunity loss incurred by the lender. That is why interest is conventionally considered as the compensation for the time value of money. However, using interest as a compensation for time value is strongly criticized. Do you wonder why? Check the link in the description for an interesting video on this topic.